Di mo na kailangan mag-travel pa Malaysia kasi Malaysia's best laksas are right here. Nagutom nga ako kakagala dito sa SM City, Manila. Nung nadaan ako sa food court, nakita ko nga tong may laksa. Nga pala, hey guys, JD here. Na-curious nga ako dito kasi less than 250 pesos lang, meron ka ng laksa bowl. Pwede ka pa makapili ng option for noodles, tapos meron pa silang set meal at iba't ibang klase ng mga snacks. Kaya i-try natin isa-isa. This Sarawak laksa has 13 ingredients para magawa yung soup niya. Kaya naman sobrang rich and aromatic ng flavor. Ito namang Asam laksa. This one has sweet and sour fish-based soup. I like that it's tangy with refreshing flavors. Halos kalasa nito yung sinigang. Ito naman dry laksa Johor. This one has a little bit of curry sauce with giniling na fish and shrimp. You also have to mix this for you to get the perfect bite. Meron din yung bean curd roll, tofu pops, fishball, cucumber, onion, and sauce. And lastly, my favorite among the four, this curry laksa is really my vibe. Creamy, spicy, and very satisfying. Sobrang classic nito, especially with its chili paste. This is really my comfort food. Ngayong halos araw-araw bumabagyo. At ang sabi sa akin ng owner, medyo same to with Singapore laksa. Yung only difference lang nila is yung dami ng gata. They also have set meals here for only 199. Meron ka ng fried rice, asam laksa soup, and add-ons na pwede mong palitan like chicken o kaya iba't ibang klase ng snacks. Ito pala yung mga snacks na available dito. Meron na yung laksa oden, sweet chili fried tofu, satay chicken na may peanut butter sauce. Meron din silang curry boneless chicken and sweet soy boneless chicken. Favorite ko dito yung laksa oden nila. Medyo street food vibe yung feels. I also love the satay chicken. Super perfect with peanut butter sauce. Tapos I also got the 100 plus isotonic drink for my panulak. Kaya kung medyo maulan ngayon tapos gusto mo ng laksa, try mo na to tapos comment mo na kung anong favorite laksa mo.